Good morning, officer.
Good morning. So just pass me your passport and I-20.
Here you go, officer. It's my I-20.
Mr. Vanshdeep Singh.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. So, which university?
Officer, I'm going for Purdue University. It's Northwest Campus. It's a part of Purdue University, which is ranked 43rd in the country. And also, it's a place where top alumni like Neil Armstrong, the first man on the moon, did his bachelor's in aeronautical engineering, and Dulquer Salmaan, a renowned Indian actor, also did his bachelor's in business management from there.
Okay, that's great. So, why not India?
Officer, I didn't choose India for my higher degree because of the lack of resources. I'm going for computer engineering, and the needs that I needed for that, like labs, technologies, are merely available in Indian universities. Although there are universities like IITs or NITs, but to get into one of these, one need to appear for entrance exams like JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, and the cutoff of these exams was much higher, due to which the acceptance rate is much lower. That's why I didn't choose any Indian university.
Great. So, which course you are going for?
Officer, I'm going for bachelor's in computer engineering course.
But this course is easily available in India. Why not India then? I could see so many universities and colleges having the top ranking among the nation. So, this course is easily available over here.
Yes, officer, I agree with your point that this course is really available in India. But as I said, that the resources that I need is not available in all the universities. Only the top universities like IITs or NITs, as I mentioned earlier, have the resources. But to get into one of these, again, the exams like JEE Mains and Advanced, the cutoff of these exams goes much high, due to which the acceptance rate is much low.
Okay, that's cool. So, how many acceptances you have?
Officer, I have 3 acceptances from Purdue University Northwest, Utah University, and Northern Arizona University.
Okay, great. So, what's the fee of the course?
Fee of the course, the tuition fees is $20,229, and the living expense is $11,000, and miscellaneous cost around $4,000, and total fees is $35,229.
So, do you know anyone from the university?
No, officer, I didn't know anyone from the university yet. I have researched about some professors and the alumni that have studied there, but other than that, personally, I didn't know anyone.
Okay, no problem at all. So, how do you come to know about this university, and you have a keen interest and you appeared for the interview? So, how come you know about this university?
Officer, I researched about the universities. When I was in class 12, I was researching for some top universities, firstly in India, but then I came to know about the exams like JEE Mains and Advanced. But after that, of course, like another student, I wanted to go that big Ivy League universities, but again, the acceptance rates are very low to those also. But as I was researching, I came to know about Purdue University, which is also ranked very good.
Why not the main campus of Purdue? Why the Northwest?
Officer, as I applied for the universities, actually the acceptance rate, I would say again, because for me, it's more important to get into a university that is reputed.
How old is this university?
It was established, I think, in 1800 something, and it's approx 200 years old.
Okay. So, how many total number of acceptances you have?
I have total number of 3 acceptances.
Okay. And that are from?
From Utah University, from Northern Arizona University, and Purdue University Northwest.
Tell me something about your previous qualification.
Officer, I did my class 12 in the academic year 2023, in which I secured 84.2% in science stream. And after that, I appeared for my English proficiency test, that is IELTS, and secured 7.5 bands overall.
So, tell me about your sponsors.
Officer, my parents are my sponsors, my mother and father. They both collectively have savings of 40 lakh rupees, and they are also earning well. The savings that they have is solely for my education.
And what they do?
My father is into transport business. He has his own trucks linked to various factories, which they use for import and export of their goods. Also, he handles his ancestral land, which he uses for agricultural business. My mother is an event manager. She has her own company with the name of Elegance Decor, and she has around 24 employees working under her.
So, what's the future goal of Vanshdeep?
Officer, once my degree is done, I will just come back to my home country and will apply to big tech companies in India like TCS, HCL, Infosys, Wipro, to a position such as software engineer specializing in artificial intelligence and machine learning.
So, have you ever applied for any of other country?
No, officer, I haven't applied to another country.
Okay, you know anyone from the USA?
No,
any
officer,
relative or any friend of yours is there?
No, officer, I don't know anyone from the US.
Not anyone?
No, officer.
Okay, great. So, congratulations, I am approving your visa. All the best.
Thank you, officer. You made my day.
Thank you. Hello everyone. I hope you really like the way Vanshdeep has given the interview. अगर आपका इंटरव्यू भी इसी पेस पे जाता है, इसी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल पे जाता है, आई अश्योर यू कि आपको वीज़ा डेफिनेटली मिलेगा। So let us discuss about all the positive things which Vanshdeep has. So my first question was which university? अगर कोई और student होता Vanshdeep की जगह पे, so he would have answered that I'm going for Purdue University. That's it. ये चीज़ उनको वीज़ा नहीं दिलवाएगी. Because the moment visa officer asks you this question, which university, he doesn't only want to know the name of the university, he wants to know the insights about the university. Why you opted for this particular university? What are the reasons that made you believe that this university is good for your future program and for future goal? So इस question को वंशदीप ने बहुत डिटेल में डिस्कस किया because he was having the good knowledge about the university alumni also, he was having good knowledge about the university curriculum. So आपको इस question में बहुत डिटेल information देनी है अगर आपको वीज़ा निकालना है. And my next question was why not India? So इस क्वेश्चन को वंशदीप ने बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल किया. He has mentioned about the benefit of practical learning which is there in the USA. He has further mentioned about the laboratories because he was going for the computer science program. So he has further mentioned about the labs and things which are there in the USA universities. So the moment visa officer asks you this question, why not India? So you have to give a focus on the program. बिकॉज एक चीज़ समझ लीजिए, आपको हर क्वेश्चन में अपने प्रोग्राम के बारे में बोलना ही होगा. बिकॉज वही प्रोग्राम जब वही कोर्स है, मान लीजिए आप बैचलर्स इन कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग करने जा रहे हैं या MBA करने जा रहे हैं, वो एक प्रोग्राम ही ऐसी चीज़ है जिसने आपका माइंड बनाया USA जाने का. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट प्रोग्राम को मेंशन नहीं करते हैं, जब प्रोग्राम के बारे में डिटेल में बात नहीं करते हैं. यू शुड नो द माइन्यूट डिटेल अबाउट द प्रोग्राम. कौन से मॉड्यूल्स हैं, आपने लेट्स सपोज कंप्यूटर साइंस प्रोग्राम पढ़ना है तो आप बताइए दैट देयर इज अ मशीन लर्निंग टेक्निक इन USA, जो चीज़ें वहाँ पे हैं यहाँ पर नहीं है. सो देन ओनली यू कैन अज्यूम कि आपको वीज़ा मिलेगा. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डू यू नो एनीवन फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी? वो राइट अवे बोल सकता था वंशदीप, आई डोंट नो, बट ही हैज आंसर्ड दिस क्वेश्चन इन अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैनर. द वे ही हैज मेंशन्ड दैट सीरियसली आई डोंट नो एनीवन फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी बट आई हैव डन द ग्रेट रिसर्च अबाउट द यूनिवर्सिटी. आई केम टू नो अबाउट सम ऑफ द प्रोफेसर्स who has done good work in the field of computer science. So उसने बहुत अच्छे से उसको हैंडल किया जो उसने ऑनलाइन रिसर्च किया था. So the next question which was asked to Vanshdeep was how many acceptance do you have? So normally इस question को students handle कैसे करते हैं? Sir, I just have 3 acceptances or officer I just have 2 acceptances. So this is not the right answer. The moment they ask you how many acceptances, you have to mention about all the universities who has accepted your profile. In his case, the acceptance was from the Purdue University, Northern Arizona University and Utah University. अब 3 अव्वल दर्जे की यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की उसके पास एक्सेप्टेंस है. सो दैट शोज़ कि उसकी रिसर्च यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए बहुत अच्छी थी. दैट शोज़ कि वो एक जेन्युइन स्टूडेंट है एंड दैट शोज़ कि पर्ड्यू को ऑप्ट करना उसका अच्छा डिसीजन था बिकॉज तीनों में सबसे अच्छी फिर पर्ड्यू यूनिवर्सिटी है. सो देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज हु आर योर स्पॉन्सर्स? इस क्वेश्चन को नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट हैंडल करते हैं माई फादर एंड माई मदर. See, that is already mentioned on the I-20. Why would the visa officer ask the same question again? Because it's already there. So the moment they ask you this question, they have an intention to know कि आपके स्पॉन्सर क्या करते हैं, वो कितना कमाते हैं, आपके पास कितने एसेट्स हैं, फादर का क्या बिजनेस है, उनकी मंथली उनकी ईयरली इनकम क्या है. So they all want to know about how financially good you are. So in this interview, Vanshdeep has answered in a very good and very clear manner that yes, my father is into the transportation business. He has the buses and the cars, and apart from that, his mother and she is running an event management company wherein 30 employees are working. So then he mentioned about the assets they have. He mentioned about the annual income of mother and the father. So आपको इन चीज़ों को ध्यान रखना है whenever you answer this question, who are your sponsors? So I hope आपको सीरियसली पता चल गया है कि इस इंटरव्यू में पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स क्या थे. Yes, there is again a room of improvement for Vanshdeep कि वो चीज़ों को और थोड़ा डिटेल में बताए. The moment it was asked why not India, उसको थोड़ा और डिटेल में बताया जाना चाहिए था. सिर्फ यही मेंशन करना इनफ नहीं होता कि वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग या प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग नहीं है. You have to mention some more points about it. And talking about the negatives, he rarely have any negative. But if I have to mention क्या नेगेटिव थे, थोड़ा और इनको पॉजिटिव नोट पे बोलना था. थोड़ा वंशदीप फंबल कर रहा था. बट इफ़ यस, अगर आप अपना वीज़ा इंटरव्यू निकालना चाहते हैं तो आप IBT ओवरसीज से ज़रूर कांटेक्ट करें। आप हमारे किसी भी ब्रांच में जाके विजिट कर सकते हैं। बहुत नॉमिनल फ़ी के ऊपर हम इस लेवल की आपको इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन करवाएंगे। अगर जो मैंने इंटरव्यू लिया, अगर मैं सच में वीज़ा ऑफिसर होता तो मैं डेफिनेटली वंशदीप को अप्रूव करता, बिकॉज ही हैज़ द कॉन्फिडेंस, ही नोज एवरीथिंग। सो अगर आपको भी वंशदीप जैसी परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए तो आप IBT ओवरसीज अभी ज्वाइन करें। आप हमारे किसी भी सेंटर में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं फॉर द इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन। एंड यू नो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज मंथ में एक सेशन आपका वीज़ा ऑफिसर के साथ होगा, आई मीन टू से फॉर्मर वीज़ा ऑफिसर्स। सो देरी किस बात की, अभी आप IBT विजिट करें और USA जाने के सपने को साकार करें। नमस्कार।